To troubleshoot AWS Amplify MFA setup, start by understanding the basics of multi-factor authentication and its importance in securing your application. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to their phone or a biometric scan, in addition to their password. First, verify that you have correctly set up AWS Amplify in your project, including installing the necessary packages and configuring the authentication module. Ensure that you have enabled MFA in the AWS Amplify configuration file and that the MFA settings are properly synced with your Aws account. Next, check the authentication flow to ensure that MFA is being triggered at the correct step. The authentication flow typically involves the user entering their username and password, followed by the MFA challenge. Verify that the MFA challenge is being presented to the user and that the verification code is being correctly validated. If you are using a third-party MFA service, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, ensure that the service is correctly configured and that the user has successfully linked their account. You can test the MFA setup by attempting to log in with a test user account and verifying that the MFA challenge is presented and that the verification code is correctly validated. Common issues with AWS Amplify MFA setup include incorrect configuration, mismatched MFA settings, and issues with the authentication flow. To troubleshoot these issues, check the AWS Amplify documentation and logs for error messages and verify that the MFA settings are correctly configured. Best practices for troubleshooting AWS Amplify MFA setup include testing the MFA setup with a test user account, verifying that the authentication flow is correctly configured, and ensuring that the MFA settings are properly synced with your Aws account. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve issues with your AWS Amplify MFA setup, ensuring that your application is secure and protected against unauthorized access.